Prepare to soar through the skies and uncover the mysteries of bird life today. Dive into The Bird's World, a captivating guide where each page reveals something new. This comprehensive treasure trove combines scientific insights and enchanting trivia about our avian friends. Explore captivating topics about bird anatomy, instincts, and behaviors that will leave you in awe. Discover fascinating sections on nesting, flight mechanics, and how birds flourish in diverse environments. From pet birds to majestic raptors, every species is covered, showcasing their incredible diversity. Learn how to create bird-safe havens, ensuring a supportive environment for our feathered companions. Venture into the world of extinct species and evolutionary tales that shape today's birds. Thoughtfully curated from reputable sources, this book is designed for curious minds and lifelong learners. Download your free copy of The Bird's World and open the door to nature's wonders today.